How to remove the bin and cyclone from a Dyson V8. Firstly, unclip the wand. Secondly, pull this red tab up. When you do this, the flap's going to open, so make sure you're over the bin. To remove the cyclone, press in the red tab inside and pull up the cyclone. To remove the bin, turn the vacuum upside down. You'll find this tab here. Press that and the bin will slide off. And that is it, you've separated the bin and the cyclone. Now to put it back together, the bin slides up into these connections and then the cyclone fits down a runner and you just slide it down, no need to press anything, just slide it down firmly. And then close the bin flap and you're ready to vacuum again. Please subscribe to my channel for more Dyson repair videos.